what alcohol does in your body system. So that is what I am going to discuss about in today's video. Many people are taking alcohol as a relaxation agent. Many people are taking alcohol as if it is good for human health. Though many are convinced that alcohol helps their health issues, because many are taking alcohol based on the fact it helps them to forget their sorrows or their predicaments, but not knowing that alcohol is highly detrimental, especially when you take it excess. That is when the detrimental or the damages comes about. But why do some people take alcohol? Many people do take alcohol just to forget their sorrows, but not knowing that taking alcohol helps to destroy their immune system. Taking alcohol destroys the body. But anytime you take alcohol, no matter a little bit of it, the body will like to excrete it out. The body will like to take it out. But when you take alcohol excessively and the body cannot be able to process it or handle high intake of alcohol, that is when you start feeling intoxicated. You start feeling weak and you start misbehaving and inhibited. So today's video, I am going to discuss with you some bad things that the alcohol does in your body system. That is what too much intake of alcohol does in your body system, especially in men, but it also affects women. So what does alcohol did in your body system, or what alcohol can do in your body system? There are many, but I am going to share three most important things the alcohol does in your body system, especially in men. So the three are: number one, alcohol destroys your immune system. That is, those immune system that will help to fight germs and diseases in your body system are being disrupted or destroyed by the alcohol men or some men do take. The more you take alcohol excessively, the more it destroys that immune system that will help to fight germs and bacteria in your body system. So the more you take alcohol, the more your immune system is likely to deteriorate gradually. So you need to avoid taking of alcohol for your immune system to be able to fight any diseases and germs that may come in contact with your body system. But once you keep on taking alcohol, you are going to lose weight and you are going to be exposed to germs and bacteria. And once you are exposed to germs and bacteria, bear in mind that cancer is not exceptional, because your immune system is no longer capable of fighting anything like disease or germs. So avoid intake of alcohol to be the best you want in life, because too much alcohol destroys your immune system. Number two thing the alcohol does in your body is that it destroys your bone and also destroys the formation of new bone in your body system. So the more you take alcohol, the bones and the bones formation starts going down. So there is no way your body system can grow. There is no way you can gain weight, because do you know that bone contributes to weight. So assuming you are somebody that want to gain weight, you need to avoid alcohol totally. So if you keep on taking alcohol, there will be no formation of new bones in your body system, and the existing ones will be shrinking and will be affected due to the alcohol and high intake of alcohol. So avoid too much intake of alcohol to allow your bones to be healthy, to grow, and to also encourage new bones to form in your body system. Now, number 3 and the last is it affects your reproductive system. That is when your erection comes. Do you know that your reproductive system might be your penis or manhood? It can cause impotency, it can cause germs, it can cause erectile dysfunction. So alcohol is not good for any human being, because the more you take alcohol, the more it destroys and disorganize your body system. So too much intake of alcohol can lead to erectile dysfunction, and yes, too much alcohol leads to erectile dysfunction. So if alcohol can do this, it can also cause infertility in male, and not only in male, it can also cause infertility in women, for women that do take alcohol. So alcohol affects your reproductive system, which is erectile dysfunction in male. So it can destroy your erection. Too much intake of alcohol can destroy your erection. So you need to avoid intake of alcohol to be the best you want. Now, the bonus I am going to give is that alcohol helps to destroy the rate and function of your brain. Alcohol destroys your brain ability, because too much intake of alcohol can make someone to start misbehaving. Too much intake of alcohol can change the pattern and the functions of the brain. That is when somebody will start acting abnormal. So alcohol is very bad. I will encourage every man to avoid taking of alcohol, to avoid taking alcohol to be the best you want, because once you take alcohol, it will destroy your immune system, it will destroy your reproductive system, which is, it will cause you not to have a good erection, it will destroy your erection, and it will disorganize you as a man. You will never be yourself. You will start doing like someone that has no senses, or someone out of his right senses. So alcohol does all this to your body system, and you need to avoid taking alcohol. But even if you want to take alcohol, let it be a little quantity. But no matter the little quantity or no matter the amount you are taking it, your body is trying to excrete it out, because it is not good in your body system. So don't take alcohol if you want to perform well as a man. Do not take alcohol if you want your whole body to function well as it's supposed to be. So that is it for today's video. I hope you get value from watching this, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, do well to hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this channel, and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. I make videos on the ways and best way to keep men, natural ways to keep men, and men's secrets. So if you like videos or other related stuffs concerning men, consider to subscribe once again. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to put it in the comment section below. I promise to reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.